Did you know that blackberry juice was once a popular dye for clothes? It's true. Back in the day, people discovered that the deep, rich color of blackberries could transform plain fabrics into vibrant garments. They'd mash the berries, extract the juice, and then soak their clothes in this natural dye. The result? Stunning shades of purple and blue that were both beautiful and unique. This method was eco-friendly long before sustainability became a buzzword. Imagine wearing a piece of history dyed with something as simple as fruit. It's fascinating how nature provided such creativity and color to our ancestors' wardrobes.